started. I was thinking it is recording. I'm going to unbox this package. This is like a mystery package which I got from China actually.
Singapore.
Okay, Singapore. It came beyond customs. I hope there won't be any illegal item in this. Let's hope.
The package looks fine.
I don't like the way they package this thing. It's not that efficient package. It's like a very cheap. Looks like okay. So finally the product is here. It's it. TWS BT earphones. Everything is in Chinese, I think, so I don't understand anything. So let me quickly do the unboxing of this thing. The color is the black. I forgot to bring my knife, so that's what I'm using the keychain. My unboxing knife is in my home. Okay, so let me show you the product actually. Okay, how I'm supposed to open this? I think it's a cover. Unboxing video for okay, okay, finally I figured out how to open this. It's a cover. Done. And I got it. It's hard. Good. The outer cardboard is good. And the casing is so good. The casing on itself is good. I think they have charger here. Not sure of that. Let me open and show it to you. Here we go. These are the earbuds. I think this case is like a charger for it, so you can charge it. You can keep the buds here. I think let me show you by taking it out. The left one and then the right one. They are super cool. They are awesome. Very small. I think it will be super compatible in your ears. It's good. Overall, it is good. I will put a brief detailed video after using the product so that I can give you a review. Thank you. Signing off, Arvind.